Storyline Marketing, and you're here with the man, the myth, the legend, SRM owner, Dave. So you reached out with Storyline to work with us, trying to figure out what we're doing back in July of 2024. And fast forward now, you know, you reached out because we've been running ads and trying to dial everything in, increase car count, help with the ARO, overall just make the business better, where people know about you, because you've been in business 23 years?
Yep.
Going on 23 years?
Going on 23 now, yeah. It's been really good. I mean, a lot of you guys are reaching out to him for the same thing of getting on social media and keeping up with the times.
Does it work?
And yeah, does it work? And to be honest, you know, I tried it with other companies and it didn't have success, but I knew that kind of this was the path forward. I had to figure it out, and Sean's company's been awesome with that. It's been a really good partnership. He kind of doubles as a shop therapist every now and then, talking to me, talking me off the ledge sometimes. We've been staying consistent on our Facebook marketing and getting, you know, good interaction from customers. Starting to grow, starting to see the car count go back up and things going the right way.
ARO increased?
ARO is increasing. Do what he tells you to do, and you know, I know I'm real camera shy for a while, and having him here now kind of coaching me through the Facebook Live stuff and doing these posts and doing the things we need to do. And we've had a great turnout, as you can see, all the cars today for our dyno day. It does work. You just gotta, you know, stay consistent. He's got a good methodology and a good way to make it happen, and you'll be doing something that most of your competitors aren't.
There's people that don't do a good job. That confuses everybody behind us. And this is why you need to be filming, and this is why I'm so passionate about it, especially when I talk to Dave. You've gotta really put your narrative out there, because consumers think you're the best shop around town, even though you might have 4-star. Like, he has a great rating on Google, but the content, if he wasn't doing it, people still would have to ask in Subaru groups and say, hey, who can help me work on my vehicle? Who can I trust? Now we're showing that trust with, again, we've been filming for 2 days. We filmed a day in the office, and now we have a dyno day. And now, again, we've got content for months to come. So the question is, will it be you or will it be your competitor?